What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 2. And we just came back from AutoZone and a couple other places. We got some stuff. Got some coolant, got some oil. This is the break-in oil we're gonna use. We got Bella, of course. This is the oil we're gonna use. This is the only 2050 we can find. We got an engine stand and a bunch of other stuff, more oil. Got pulleys. Let me see that new pulley. Oh, you already got it on there.
No, take it off.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. This is the old one. This is the new one. And then we got, I don't think I actually showed you guys this.
Tensioner.
Alternator. Tensioner pulley.
That's not an alternator tensioner pulley.
Yes, it is.
It's just a tensioner pulley.
That's what it is.
Serpentine. For the serpentine
belt.
belt.
You want to bet?
$100,000.
You want to bet?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Viewers, somebody tell him that's just a tensioner pulley.
Alternator tensioner pulley.
Why would it just be for the alternator specifically?
Come on, come on, come on. Come shake it. Come shake it.
Watch
Damn,
this.
watch this.
Google.
Watch this. Damn, I'm glad. You know what? That $200 I paid for that thing is about to pay off. Is about to pay off. Ah, what does that say? Alternator tensioner pulley.
Just because it says it doesn't mean that's what it's for.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I love proving you wrong. I do it so often.
What are you talking about?
It's starting to feel normal now. It is starting to feel normal.
I don't know what this guy's talking about.
This is great. This is great.
What are you proving me wrong on?
This is the old one.
The tensioner pulley?
Alternator tensioner pulley.
You know what it does?
We got it. It sounds like a sore loser over there. That's what it sounds like. But it's all good.
Negative.
We're about to get started. We're gonna clean this thing up, and then we'll start putting it in the car. See how that goes.
Tensioner, or tension on the serpentine belt. Serpentine belt doesn't only run.
He's still arguing because he knows he's wrong.
No,
I forgot to add. We also picked up a new serpentine belt.
An alternator serpentine belt.
Here we go. This guy.
Just for the viewers at home.
I don't think I've shown him. God, it's fucking dark in this little corner,
No, it's
man.
not.
Yes, it is. It's very dark.
Perfectly right out.
But yeah. Here's what all the components look like. Let me see if I can. Alright, that's much better. But yeah, much better lighting. I adjusted the settings on the camera, and this is what we're looking at. Everything laid out. New gasket for this. The thermostat, the new thermostat will be here tomorrow. I had to order it. This is the old one. I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one. Here's Bella.
I'll show it so I can get all the things to look right, but.
So Rodney just did, oh yeah, that looks a lot better than that. Before and after. We've been doing that with a lot of stuff. This is probably honestly, I think this is the best. This has came out the best. This and the little cam gear, or the little cam plates.
The polish where yesterday.
It's right here.
Okay, I got you. Thank you, sir. Good.
Yeah, we're still cleaning up just to make sure everything looks good before we end up putting it back in there. All right, update time. Rodney's stressing out.
No.
We got
Shit falling everywhere.
yeah, that. We got the intake manifold on there. He's stressing out about the intake manifold. So we were not able to find some bolts to mount to the side of the engine here and use an engine stand, so we are making our own. This should be pretty entertaining. This is the front of the oil pan.
So this is gonna be. One second. No, that one's not gonna. We're not gonna be using that all. We're gonna be using half of it. So the whole thing's gonna. So you know the whole table to adjust it. So what we're gonna do, right? Essentially, is have it sit on this front one. We're gonna get the side one to sit in right here, right? We wanna get some support there. And then we're gonna see where we need to cut here. So it's only gonna be supported by half of it, right? See what I'm saying? So, and then the back can't have anything on it.
Quick update. We got the engine on this raggedy, sketchy stand thing. Look at this thing. Rodney's always making some shit. And he made this leg extra. So we got the ACT monolock collar right here. We're about to install this. He's doing the ARP studs for the bolts, flywheel bolts. How precise.
Where did I put my napkin? Not just that. Oh.
Alright. This clutch is beefy. Dope. Dope as fuck. You like being the star.
Hell no. Alright, you got it
Hang
right
on,
there?
hang on. Alright, we're good.
1, 2, 3. We're gonna go 4 here. Ready? 4. And mark it. 5.
Luckily for you though, I got these motherfucking guns. Don't not have them.
But at the same time, you don't have them. Ready?
Yeah.
There's that one.
You good with this?
Yes, sir.
Breaker?
Just
I'm gonna put
keep
back
it,
where
keep
was.
yeah, keep it close. So.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of.
Alright, we're gonna take the Loctite. We're just gonna run it on all of them.
I got that on camera.
Just like that.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's different. It's not the liquidy stuff.
Yeah. Well, it's just how you're doing it with the lipstick. It's kind of weird.
How else would you do it?
It being a tube, that's what I thought was in there.
No.
You know, like super glue.
Yeah,
comes
they
out
have a
big,
tube
yeah,
for the
thing. Yeah,
makes no sense.
that's what I thought it was.
It's a waste of plastic.
Eh.
If I've ever seen one.
It's not.
It's definitely a waste of plastic.
Stop dropping bolts.
I'll let you find that
With
one.
your fumbling eyes. Goddamn Patriots, man. They have a washer too?
I have it up here. See that I kept.
Good. You want to put some more? Because I think some of it fell off.
One. So this is top and this is bottom. So that's how it's always gonna go. But after you do, so what we'll do is we'll get them and do them until they, right there until they stop. So we're gonna do that to all of them. We're gonna start all in the same spot, every single one. So that one's tight already. That one's good. That one's good. And that one's good. All right. Now we're gonna do one turn each. So we're gonna go one. That's one whole turn. Start at the top. That's a quarter, 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 quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4.
First look. This is my first look. It's funny, I've had this thing for, it's been over a year actually. It's been a little over a year.
I remember when you got it.
Yep. This is my first time actually. Oh, so I didn't need that plate.
Do we have it right here?
Yeah, he put it on there. So he did provide us with this is the 5-speed sensor, and this is the reverse sensor, I believe.
No, that's not sensor right there. Sensors.
Oh yeah, you're right. One of these is reverse, one of is speed. But yeah, he hooked it up. Looks clean. Probably
I was right.
Yeah, I probably want to hit it with the thing.
Air, but I was right that it didn't come with the shaft.
With the
Yep, we gotta put it in.
the fork.
The fork is.
I have it over there.
Yeah.
Go get that bag so we can see what we're working with. So Rodney got a new AC over there, and now he refuses to open the garage for anything. Ah, it opened, and you dared me to do it. So, damn, there it is.
It's raining now. Close it. Can't do anything out there. You got hit?
Yeah.
I told you that should get you, man. That's it.
It's got me before.
That's a before
and after.
You can see the shine on it.
Cleaning up some of the transmission components. How is this a 94%?
It's almost 100.
It's not 100.
But it's almost.
Where's my 6%? Anyways.
Okay. And she should. There we go. Just need a 10mm and.
To be honest with you, that shit's confusing. Got a brand new throw-up bearing. Try that again. Oh yeah. That's nice and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Supposedly, it'll feel a lot better with this monolock collar. So I'm hoping this clutch doesn't feel too bad, because I like the ACT one that I had. I like the feel. It was perfect.
Not too hard.
Not at all, dude. It was so easy to launch too. Unlike the fucking Golf R.
Hot really good then.
Yeah, the Golf R was not.
Yeah, it's a learning curve. You have to get used to it.
Nah.
I could have launched that thing
No,
perfectly.
because I've seen some other guys on YouTube and they have a hard time.
Yeah, they're YouTube people though.
Yeah. I mean, we have a track.
I don't hit the track.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I don't want to run 12s on people.
Yep. Run 12s on a stock Golf R. Yep.
Yeah, stock it is.
Okay, let's do it.
Stock it is.
Let's put some on. I'll pay for the track, everything.
You
I'll
bet.
give you $200
$200 for what?
that you won't run 12.
That I won't hit 12,999.
No, that you won't. I'll put money on it.
How long do I have to get the car ready? I need to do an oil change and stuff. You know?
Oh, that's cake.
And then I gotta put it
In
on
the
100
next month.
octane. I gotta
Within
put it
the
on
next month.
I gotta put a new clutch in it too.
Yeah, new clutch. What else? A new turbo. What else?
If I have to do it. If I have to, I will spend $2,000 to make $200 any day.
You know what? As a good friend, let's make that bet, because I just want your car to be faster. So I will pay $200 for your car to be faster.
It's quick enough as it is. I just run it in stock mode when you drive it, because you know I put it in valet mode so you can't do anything.
you drive like a fucking weirdo.
I don't. I drive like a normal human
No,
being.
you don't. You should have seen.
That's
the
how normal
corners
people should
in your
drive.
Beamer.
So we got to make sure that when we put it in, we're gonna lift it up level and put it straight in.
Yep.
We don't want to knock this off again. All right, and then these will line up. This will line up under here, and we should be Gucci.
All right. On you.
1, 2.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna lay it right here for a second.
That shouldn't be long.
Yes, it is.
Ready?
Yeah. Shake it a little bit.
Yeah.
Lift up, lift up. Shake it. All right, you got it?
Yep.
Can you hold it for a second?
Mm-hmm.
Transmission bolts, I left them on your side, didn't I? Nina. I don't know whose dumb idea that was. Let me just put these in here for you.
So we're removing these because you got the new studs. Yeah, we got that good shit coming in.
All right, so then I'm gonna need.
Yeah, now you gotta splice them apart.
Oh, it's in the pocket. I knew that.
This is the sketchy part right here.
Really? It's the easiest thing in the world.
Mm.
You just what you do is you. Maybe it's a little sketchy.
Mm-hmm.
It's always sketchy that one time you were doing the exhaust manifold pulls. Bro.
These are the new ones.
49 space.
New. Replacing this crappy, rusty shit with a hem on it.
I think it looks decent.
They're not bad. I mean, but
Decent.
I mean, it ain't that clean.
And it nice and matte black or gloss black.
It's not.
Billeted.
What's up, y'all? Last video, last little clip of the night. We just got all the accessory components, the serpentine belt components, everything's on there. AC, power steering, freaking alternator, all that crap is on there. A lot of tedious work tonight, but we got a lot done considering the amount of time. We spent a lot of time trying to find a bolt to get this thing mounted on this this engine stand down there, but unfortunately we were not able to find a long enough bolt anywhere. So this is our, you know, Rodney's good at ghetto rigging shit.
MacGyver.
It works. It works though. It works.
It's not ghetto if it works.
It works. He wanted to lay out the brands and stuff, so that's why he put the sticker here. Yeah. Oh, we got the Skunk 2 on, and then we got the throttle body right here. So yeah, everything else is good. We're gonna continue tomorrow. It is 10:30. Damn, I didn't know it was that late.
So good.
And yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow, bright and early. So take it easy. Peace.
See you guys later.